Grocery vendor don't buy person lip comot. My people, this one no be African magic. It's not in the dream. It's not this ones, and they be friends. This matter, in fact, I don't even know whether make her laugh or make her start to cry. According to the victim, and they talk about person where the lips don't. This girl go in friend store. Now the friend get the place. When you go there, say, oh yeah, I won't buy pure water. You want one that they call sachet water? Yes. And the pure water normally, our fellow Nigerians have for 10 naira. Okay, for cedis, if I know they be staying like 1 cedi. Pure water. When the friend go there, he go there and say, but your pure water is too expensive. From 10 naira, this in friend, when they say you 15 naira. Now like 1 cedi, I don't know, I beg, we can check this about herself. Now so she still buy am. Oh yeah. She buy the water go. Where another person won't buy water. This one come dey advise the person say, I for send you go this my friend shop, but the water too expensive. So go another place. And you know say this one, the owner of the shop in Pekin, they there. That one, telephone without wire. Now so he run. Go deliver news. My people can't see wahala. If you see what I bet bam, he almost fall. This guy thing, they tell you say na pure water cost, you go believe. Just imagine. Now so wahala can start. They say they arrest the owner of the shop, then they release her the next day. I still never understand that part. So Nigeria get vampire like this, we don't know. We get vampire. No, we don't even know say they exist, but we get. This issue now beyond pure water. I know what say what you want to say. Pure water. No, these people, they don't fight for gundus before. I just no, they oh yeah, sorry. Tell me the way you feel. Because me, I know they believe any pure because of 10 naira. Something don't happen before this thing come down like this. Something either person don't thief person boyfriend, person don't sleep with person boyfriend. I don't know, but something Nigeria, while I be like waiting again. I just wonder how this one want they kiss now. Hey, Mr. Boyfriend, if you dey watch, because in fact you are on how long it go take before this thing go heal? 3 months. You are on 3 months no kissing challenge as we dey speak now. My sister, just get ready for cheating because this one, the moment where you know fit give her now, go start they go. The anointing will even the vex me for this place say they release this girl after they arrest her. Just one day. This kind gravity of what I even want call her. Just one day they release her sharp. Oh my family, I go do my own back. May they arrest me, then they release me to the next day. Yes, because as it be now this one lose. They arrest that one, nothing changed for your body. It's still they can't pay everything they intact. You they don't even no. This one I don't even know. Nigeria no, but under the thing this thing the way I think. Nigeria now don't they become? I don't even understand. Like everybody they vex for this country. I better not provoke anybody. Everybody is angry in Nigeria. Whether na man issue, water issue, as long as say anger exists, everybody they angry for this country where we dey. So I beg, if you enter person, see, ordinary good morning now, person fit slap you. Now see, now so it all bad reach. Ordinary good morning, person fit slap you. So I beg, if you enter shop, they give you price. Ungwanu, if you know they buy, just jejely they waka come out. Because this matter now, they see on 2 sides. I always they see 2 sides. Person where they bite in lips, next time you go mind your business. But at the same time, this same person where they bite in lips, maybe she, you just been the try help a friend. You understand? It be like now, me and you. Are they aware? Say things they're expensive in this place. I know where they cheap. I feel advice you say, oh babe, no, don't go there. This place is cheaper. Nothing wrong for that place. But all the same, people they tell me say, Madam Aproko, that one for minding business. And why also they talk and say, oh yeah, now maybe she minding business next time. I don't know, my people. I say I go bring her. Have 1.5 lips now. Now this one don't get. Biko, I say I go bring her and I don't bring her. Waiting una gas talk concerning this matter. I beg start the dropper. Whether una want me they still rearrest this woman, may they send her go police station again. I be anything when I think. I beg drop her for that side. And my sister, my condolences for your lips. So because this one, I don't know whether now oppression go bring your lips back. But anyways, I beg. Start to drop your comment for that comment section and make sure say you no forget to share this video maybe before I go forget. Yes, I don't tell you say new person go day here. Relax, this one no be surprise again, this one no be this other one. I don't bring una new one. This one na this Friday now go get am here live and direct, so make una no go anywhere. Share this video, no forget one more time, and make sure say you click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything wey I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Same-sex domestic violence don't start, yo. Make I repeat that. Same-sex domestic violence don't start. Chineke. Una no go understand why they laugh. Same-sex. Now that's what una just hear am again. Meaning say girl, boy, domestic violence don't start. The girl don't finally come out now. If you not see, I don't even know what I will even want to use now. Whether na the whole face, I been at the nose in particular, I been at the lips. I don't even know which one I want come describe now. She herself go bring her in my outside though. Say same-sex domestic violence is real, my people. And I was assaulted by my partner. If you not see this girl face, I bet put Kule. Now this one they talk say what a man can do, a woman can do better. Imagine in fellow woman. In fellow woman, now destroy, in fact, now disfigure this one as soon as they say like this. Woman like how we get breasts, we get the same thing. Now do this one. This one weak me. In fact, I am weak. I'm not just. I be waiting this one do now. Waiting we go talk say she do because I don't they think. Well, wait if he bring the maybe she don't text Emeka where in female boyfriend can't see the message. We no, my dear. Oh. Sorry, because no sense. You they come outside now, they tell us, hey, your same-sex violence is real. Before, who no say violence is real? Your fellow girl beat you to stupor, and you they come outside, they announce, shame, no even they catch you. You never even feel just go hide your face. No, you not see say this girl foolish. You not they see foolishness inside this matter. Man go beat you inside relationship. Woman too go come beat you inside. I bet see. I know no, my people, it reach to laugh. It reach to laugh. No, just imagine. Women, they date men. Women, they marry men. They come outside, do videos, snap pictures, say, my husband. We they talk about real men now. My husband just beats me. This one. We they try settle matter. Now, woman and woman, they come outside. Me will settle their matter. That one, maybe now I go settle that matter. You date a man, wahala. You date woman, double wahala for that one too. As it be now, I don't even know where, no, how we even start to settle this matter, how we want, because this guy bring this matter to the wrong country, Nigeria. Even lucky say, I'm not even there where you dey. This one where they do you too small. And for add another one, maybe this one on your ear side. Which kind of nonsense? Who sent you message before? Even the one where if man they date woman where they normal, at least that one we see they find how we go settle now. We never settle that one finish. This one they come outside, they bring. I be make una give an advice. Me, I no get this one. Hey, if I suppose give this guy advice now, insult I go just finish am with. So it better make I just respect myself. You understand? Make una give her any advice we una get. Whether make she, I'm not going to even list anyone say. Anyone where you get for her, I bet drop her for that comment section. She needs advice. She needs help. She needs which other English exists again? Make una give her. Me, I no get. This thing they annoying. Like it. Hey, that girl. Girl wey go do me this thing. Abeg forget relationship o. No, make we just I dey try put myself inside this kind thing. E no fit happen, but make we just imagine I dey inside relationship with my fellow girl. I go forget say we dey date o. Big thing wey I will give you. No, who dating help? Just imagine problem wey una dey carry on top una sef. No just abeg, I hand una see this matter. I don bundle am, hand am over to una. Yes, the ball is in you people's court now. So anything wey una wan do with her, abeg make una do am. I don fulfill my mission, which is to bring her, make una know say na this thing don happen. And if you dey watch me, you dey inside this kind of relationship, dey careful, because they don come advise you say it is very, very real, very, very important, my people. Una go soon get new presenter for this place, and guess where she's from? Yes, Southeast States. Anybody wey you think of, why not drop her for that comment section, and don't forget to give this mumu her own advice, abi story where you get for her. Drop her for that comment section too. Make sure say you share this video, make all of them know say the violence I have started though, very, very important. And why not click on that notification bell too, so that you no go miss any interesting matter where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.